morning, everyone. So, after this lesson 5 in MCB, we are going to start with your Fun with Grammar book. Lesson number 18, Prepositions. You know what are prepositions? They tell you the position of either things or time, or sometimes it gives the relation between nouns and your situations even, or sometimes verbs. Like, they are very useful, but they are very wide topic, so you should be very clear about the use of prepositions. Class 3 mein you did prepositions related to place, like I'm sitting on a sofa, or the books are on the table, the stool is near the window. So these are related to on, near, between. They are all prepositions related to place. Class 4, we are going to do prepositions related to time. What are we going to do? Prepositions related to time. First one is prepositions are related to point of time. Prepositions related to point of time, mainly clock time, what we can tell by clock. Like, she will come at 5 p.m. 5 you can see in the clock. We'll go to the park in the morning. The clock tells us it's getting morning or evening. In the morning. The moon shines at night. When does the moon shine? It shines at night. Now, these are prepositions related to point of time. A particular time is specific at 5 p.m. Only in the morning. Only at night. Next is prepositions related to particular day, month and date. When we talk of day, month and date, we use the preposition on. Like, suppose day is Deepavali is on Saturday. Ye day hai na, Saturday is a day. So we say Deepavali is on Saturday. Month, my brother is coming on 12th March. Ye date and month hai yahan par. 12th March. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. These are dates. These are important days and dates. So we say on. Prepositions related to point of time in a day or in a month. Not on, but in a day or in a month. Like, Sheena was with me when? In the evening. Point of time in a day. When? In the evening. It is very cold in December in Alwar. What happens in the month of December? It is very cold. So we use in. It's very cold in December in Alwar. Point of time in a day or month. Whenever we talk of some duration. Next is prepositions related to durations. Duration, a stretch of time. Not only one point of time, but a stretch of time. Like, for a long time it happens. Prepositions like the work went on for 5 hours. 5 hours is a long time. It is not one point of time. It is a long time. For 5 hours. For. They are in Alwar since 2006. Now, since 2006. Tab se they are living in Alwar. Now, what is the difference between for and since? For is when we know the starting time and the ending time. Both. There we use for. And if we know the beginning time of something, but we do not know, like it is still going on, we have not seen the end of it. They are in Alwar since 2006. मतलब 2006 से they are here, but not left, not gone. They are still here. There we use since. Mother can come anytime between 6 and 7 p.m. From 6 to 7, 1 hour का duration है. This duration is of 1 hour when mommy can come anytime. I go to my grandparents during winter vacation. During means duration है एक लंबा time. So during the means day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 ऐसे करके during is for a long time. Understanding, no? When you will read, when we meet in online, you can ask your doubts. When you read, it will be more clear to you. It's just, I know in the beginning it will sound little confusing, but don't worry. Half of it so you already know. थोड़ा सा improvise करना है, that's all. Now, prepositions to tell time not later than the specified date or time. मम्मा कहती है ना, after 5 I'll not allow you. मेरे को 1 hour में ये काम करना ही है. Means after 1 hour it will not be allowed to do. So come to me within an hour. Within means before 1 hour ends. Within an hour. Before 1 hour ends. You must come back by 8 o'clock. By means till 8 so you can be out. But you must come back by 8. जब तक 8 o'clock हो, must come back. I've written your book by 15th of the month. 13, 14, 15, 12, 11, kabhi bhi you can keep. But after 15, no. So when you are not allowed to do something after a point of time or date, then we use specific हो जाता है. Then we can say within, by, or like, so within means before 1 hour ends. By 8 is the last limit, and 15 again. 15 means is the last limit. Okay, student, please read them carefully. We'll talk about it in the online. You can ask your doubts and do your work in the in the grammar books in a neat handwriting, and keep doing every day. Don't pile up your work. Okay, we'll see you again. Bye.